Welcome back, friend. This is Udit Tomar and you're watching Ultra Technical. Friend, this is my third installment in the series Adobe Premiere Pro from basics to master. And friends, in this video I'll tell you how to get the free footage of your, if you want to add any free footage for your YouTube videos, so from where you can get it. So these are some 5 websites from where you can get your free footage, and here are also some paid websites. If you want to spend some money, then you can get some real and some very good footage. So first of all, our emphasis will be on free websites for those who cannot spend money. So let me just search for first one, videos.pixels.com. Let me just open my Google Chrome, paste and go. Here it is. We can search for like horror videos. Let me see what I will get. Let me just open it. Open this one. Friend, these are free videos. As you can see, friend, that the first video which I played was not free, but this one is free. You can see here, free download. So this is my first. Let me just search for the second. You will not find great videos, but you will find some decent videos. First one was videos.pixel.com. Second one is Pixabay. You can search for anything, like let me just again search horror, because we can get it. Here let me just open it. As you can see, it is free for download. Let me just play it. Here it is, Death Return. And now second one is pixabay.com. Let me just move to my second link, that is vidz.com. I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry for that. Paste and go. Here is your third website for getting free videos. So here it is, horror videos. These are the pro videos, and these are some free videos. As you can see, this video is not free. You can still search for more. If you are not getting free videos, then in license type, just click on Creative Commons. Just click on this, and as you can see, this video is free to download. So this is my second website, vdc.com. Let me just move to my third website, that is videvo.net. Let me just search for horror. as you can see, horror is let me just open the first video. It is not free, so let me just click on CC Creative Commons. Hope this will be free. Friends, you can still get what you want from this website, just you have to keep searching. My third website is coverr.co. And this is my third website to get some decent videos. Let me just search for mood. So this is my fifth website to get free videos. So these are all my 5 collection of websites which I showed you, from where you can get your free footage. So that's all for today. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.